Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today I am going to share with you all guys that how to watch online movies, Netflix web series or any other web series that you want to watch, any other shows on television for free without downloading it, just online. No service and nothing. Just follow the quick steps that I do and download the software. I already gave the software link down below in the description box. Before that, please subscribe my channel and hit a like button if you like my video, and also hit the bell icon for latest notifications of my channel. So let's begin. First, go to your browser, then type for Streamio. This app can be used in PC, laptop, mobile phone or any Android system or Mac system. Streamio. Then download this software. This one. After downloading the software, open the software. This will take some time. It depends upon your internet connection speed. Now, you don't have to do this all. You just click on sign up with email. No email address is required. Just follow the steps that I do. Check the three and then guest login. You will see list of movies. You can get more here on discoveries, channel, TV, sports, web series, Netflix lays, anything you want. Now, go to your browser. Go to 1337x. Torrent search first link. The link will be given in the description below. Now, search for the movie or web series you want to watch. Let me think. Okay, I want to watch something new. Let me see what can I watch. Let me watch Endgame. Now, see this Cedars and Leechers. If this is high, then you will get a good streaming speed. Let me do this one. Endgame. You have to do nothing, just right click on the magnet link, copy link address, paste it here, press search, and this will arrive. Now you can also add some add-ons from here. See all add-ons. I already added all the add-ons, official add-ons, then community add-ons. Just install the add-ons which you like. Click on install, go back and select the movie. It depends on your internet speed. See, it started. You can watch the internet speed, you can add subtitles.
Okay, hold on. Don't shoot.
I'm watching this online
Okay. Now let's worry about how you get there.
in full HD. So like this only you can also watch web series, anything you like already here are some listed ones, but you can do my process too, like series. Here are all the listed web series that are already available on this app. You can also see different one, whichever you like. So thank you for watching this video guys. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Thank you. See you. Stay safe.